Okay, here for number 2, we have 2 different traits going on. So we have color. We have 3 phenotypes. Hang on. Let's try that again. So we have 3 phenotypes. So that means we got some more incomplete dominance going on with our color. Now position is either or, so we have complete dominance there. So it says that we're going to cross an axial red. So axial means that we're going to have it's true breeding. So that means it's big, big, and big, big. And we're going to cross it with, excuse me, a terminal white, so little, 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 little. So all of their offspring are going to be heterozygous for both traits. So it means they're going to be pink and axial. It's a nice dihybrid there. Now it says what will be the ratio for the F2 generation. Now we can't just do the 9:3 to 3:1 for this one because we have incomplete dominance. If we had complete dominance, we could just automatically predict it. So we need to figure out how many, so we think about what all of our options are. We can be axial and red, and we're going to figure out that proportion. Axial pink, axial white. Okay, then we can also do the alternatives of that. We can be terminal red, terminal pink, and terminal white. Okay. So to be axial, so we need to look at our whole Punnett square here. So I've got this guy going on. Now I really only do this Punnett square once because even though one is incomplete dominance and one is complete dominance, I can determine the same information from this nice little Punnett square here. So axial, 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 terminal. So the probability of being axial is 3/4. The probability of red would be this big, big, and so that is 1/4. So that means the probability of being axial red is going to be 3/16. Again, axial is always 3/4. Pink, represented over here in this Punnett square, is going to be 2/4, which gives me 6/16, or we can simplify that down to 3/8. Sorry, I forgot how to math. All right, to be white, that's this guy down here. That'd be 1/4, which is 3/16 again. Okay, doing the same thing for our terminals. So terminal condition is 1/4. We already said to be red is 1/4, so that means the probability of being terminal red is 1/16. Probability of being pink, we already said that is 2/4, which is going to give me 2/16 or 1/8. And then white is also 1/4, which is again 1/16. Okay, that's all for that one.